Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shah Sir Classes. I am Shah Faisal Sir here. My dear friends, today I am going to start the daily current affairs for the UPSC aspirants who are focusing for the academic year 2021-2022. So today let me discuss the part of GS2 Health Current Affairs. As you can see, there is a report from WHO, that is 2021 Global TB report. Let me see what exactly this report is explaining. Okay, so according to this 2021 Global TB report, which is released recently from World Health Organization for the first time in over a decade. Okay, this is very important point as per your prelims point of view. Over a period of over a decade, this is the first time. Over a decade, this is the first time the WHO has released this report. Okay. Now, what exactly this report is stating about? That is, the deaths have increased. The deaths have increased due to TB, that is tuberculosis. Okay, and remember students, the WHO modeling projections suggest that these deaths have increased due to the reason there was no proper notifications have given. There were no proper notifications have given, due to which there was no proper notifications have given, due to which the number of deaths have increased. So this is very important key point you need to remember. Over a decade, the WHO has not released any. WHO is stating that okay, over a decade there was no notifications of reduced notifications have given, due to which the deaths have increased, and it may become much in the year 2021-2022. okay, the death rate can increase in this year. Okay, let me find the key findings of this report. Okay, now as you can see here, the first key point is there was no proper notifications have given, that is reduced notifications. Okay, there was no proper notifications have given, out of which India is topping around 41%. okay, there was no proper notifications have given to cure this disease, so out of which India is topping at the most among all the other countries, around 41%. Similarly, you can take example of Indonesia. Indonesia is topping around 14%, and then Philippines around 12%, and then China 8%, and also some other 12 other countries. 12 other countries are there. Okay, as you can see children, as you can see here my dear students and friends. Okay, there was to reduce this TB, there was no proper notifications have given among these countries. Okay, so this is accounting around 93% of the total global drop in notifications. So the key point is reduced notification, there was no proper notifications have given. And next, the cases are increase. Okay, we can see here there is increase in cases. There are increase in cases of TB. Okay, so as you can see, due to lack of diagnosing, okay, the peoples are suffering from TB due to no proper diagnosis. Okay, they have not treated well, due to which the cases are increasing day by day. Okay, there was no proper treatment has given, okay, due to which the cases are increasing. And also you can see there was reduced provision, there was reduced provision. What is this reduced provision? As you can see here, there was also a reduction in the provision of TB preventive treatment. Some around 2.8 million people accessed this in 2020, a 21% reduction since 2019. Around 21% reduction we can see, around 21% reduction we can see since 2019. There was no proper reduced provisions are given. And next very important point, that is the drug resistant TB. Okay, the number of people treated for drug resistant TB fell by 15%. It was fell by 15%, due to which the peoples have died. We can see there is an increase in death in 2020 due to this drug resistant TB. So as you can see here, the most important question may arise here, what are the reasons for this death? As we have already seen, there was no precautions have taken, and also there was no proper treatment was taken, and there was no proper notifications have given, and along with that still more other factors or reasons are there for the increase in death. As you can see here, the TB patients, due to this COVID-19, the peoples who are tackling with the TB, due to the limitations or due to the limiting of availability of the resources or essential services, okay, due to COVID-19, the peoples are tackling or they were suffering to get a proper service, due to which there was no proper care have taken during the lockdown, due to which we can see there are drastically increasing patients of TB. So this is a very most important point you need to remember. Now here the main question starts, what is tuberculosis? What is tuberculosis TB? Okay, let me have a glance related to this point. What is TB? This TB is caused due to a bacteria. There is a bacteria by name Mycobacterium tuberculosis. This is very important point as per your prelims point of view. There is a bacteria by name Mycobacterium tuberculosis that most often affect the lungs. Okay, this will affect the lungs, and it is usually spread from person to person through air. Okay, the medium of transmission is air. When people with TB cough or if they sneeze or split, so what happens, the germs which consist, okay, the germs can easily travel through air from one person to another person, and we can see some symptoms like there is a cough, okay, cough with sputum, let me say, we can see these are the major symptoms which we can find in the TB patient, cough with sputum, and next blood at times, chest pain, we can see some chest pain also, or you can see weakening in the body, weight loss, we can see fever or night sweats, these all things we can see. And my dear friends, one thing you need to remember, this disease is nothing like, it is not treatable, okay, it is not curable, no, remember this disease can be treatable and also it is a curable disease. Easily we can give a proper treatment according to the time, so that easily we can cure this disease, And one important point, you need to remember here, multi-drug resistant tuberculosis. There is a name, okay, let me say that as MDR-TB. Remember this name, MDR-TB, that is multi-drug resistant tuberculosis. It is a form of TB. This is also a form of TB. This is also a form of TB. This is caused by the bacteria that do not respond to isoniazid and rifampicin. Okay, there are two most powerful drugs. There are two most powerful drugs. Remember the names of these drugs. That is isoniazid and rifampicin. Rifampicin. These are the two most powerful drugs. Okay. Here this is caused. This is also a form of TB. This is caused by the bacteria that do not respond, even though if you give this high powerful drugs, but still you cannot identify TB. Even the TB will not respond even though if you are taking this high powerful drugs. The first line anti-TB drugs. These are known as the first line anti-TB drugs. Do remember, there is one form of TB by name MDR-TB, multi-drug resistant tuberculosis. Okay, this is also a form of TB. Even though if you give a powerful drugs like isoniazid and rifampicin, these are the two most powerful first line anti-drugs, and it is treatable and curable by using second line drugs. If you are using second line drugs, this TB can be curable. Okay, the treatment for this disease is second line drugs. So this TB can be treated by second line drugs. Now one more important point you need to remember, that is XDR-TB. Remember, first is MDR-TB and the second is XDR-TB. This is extensively drug resistant TB. This is known as the extensively drug resistant TB, and it is a still more serious form of MDR-TB. Okay, it is also a form of TB but still more serious form of TB. This is still more serious form of MDR-TB. MDR-TB, this is caused by the bacteria. This is caused by the bacteria. This is caused by the bacteria that do not respond, even though if you are going to use the second line anti-TB drugs. This will not respond. This will not respond even though if you are using the most effective second line anti-TB drugs. As you can see, children, how much powerful this TB is. The MDR-TB can be cured by consuming the first line anti-TB drug, but this XDR-TB, even though if you are consuming the second line anti-TB drug, okay, but still it is not responding to this TB also. So often leaving the patients without any further treatment options. Okay, so that there was initiatives have taken by India. By seeing these all things, the proper initiatives definitely they need to take, but now the government has taken the steps to take some initiatives regarding this TB, and they have stated that we are going to eliminate this TB. We are going to eliminate this TB by the year 2025. But the global target to eliminate TB is 2030, but India is targeting to eliminate TB by 2025. So India is around 5 years ahead compared to the global target. Now what they have done, the goal has been taken that now India is going to rename, they are going to change the name, they are going to rename. That is nothing but, first the name was RNTCP, Now they are changing the name from RNTCP to NTEP. Remember this important point. This is very important point, the prelims point of view. India is planning to rename from RNTCP, that is Revised National Tuberculosis Control Program. Okay, the first name was Revised National Tuberculosis Program. Now they are changing this name to new name, that is NTEP, that is National Tuberculosis Elimination Program. I hope you all have got these steps. Let me have some glance once again the things what we have discussed till now. Okay, since a decade, this is the first time WHO has released the report according to the 2021 global TB report. So as the very most important concern that the deaths are increasing day by day, if you, and still the concern here is, if you compare the year 2021-2022, the death may still more increase. The reason for this is there was no proper notifications have given, out of which India is the topmost country, and still more we have other countries who is responsible for this global drop in notification. And also we can see the cases are increasing day by day due to there was no proper treatment have taken. Okay, and there was reduced provision, and then the drug resistant TB, due to which the number of people treated for drug resistant TB fell by 15%. Okay, and reasons for death is, as you can see, due to the COVID-19, there was no proper services have taken, there was no proper care have taken due to the lockdown, due to which the deaths have increased. And there is a bacteria called as Mycobacterium tuberculosis. This will affect usually the lungs, and it is transferred from person to person through air. And we can see the symptoms like cough with sputum, blood, chest pain, weakening in the body, weight loss, fever and night sweats. And remember, this is treatable disease. Now we have the one form of TB, that is known as MDR TB, that is multi drug resistant TB. Even though if you are using the high powerful drugs, that is ionazide and rifampicin, even though if you are using this highly powerful drugs, but still it is not going to respond. This is known as the first line drug. Even though if you are using first line drug, it is not responding, so that we have to use the second line drug to treat or to cure this disease. And we have one more disease, still more powerful disease, that is XDR TB. This is still more very serious form of TB. Okay, this will not respond even for the second line drug. This will not respond for the even second line drug. So there will be no other options for the patients once if they commit to this type of TB. So India is planning by around 2025 to eliminate TB from India, but the global target is 2030, but India is planning to change to eliminate its TB by the year 2025. So they have changed the name from RNTCP to NTEP. Okay, I hope this information what we have given, it's benefit for you all. Wish you all the best of luck. Still, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel Shah Sir Classes, do subscribe it and click the like button and share this video as much as possible. And I'll be sharing still more current affairs related topics in detail. As now you can use this draft, you can use these steps as your answer rating, so that definitely you can score a very good marks. Thank you. Keep watching to my channel. Take care.